All right, guys, this is the video nobody ever made for us. We're talking private hygiene, how to take care of your junk, your groin, and everything down there. This isn't about sex or embarrassment. This is about health, confidence, and being a grown man who knows what's up. So let's just say it straight and get to the stuff that matters. How to wash down there. Your groin and genitals get sweaty, warm, and trapped in clothing all day. That makes it a perfect spot for bacteria and odor. So yes, you need to wash it every day. Here's how. Use warm water and a gentle, fragrance-free soap or a product made specifically for that area. Use your hands, not a loofah or scrubber. Wash the skin around your penis, scrotum, and inner thighs. If you're uncircumcised, gently pull back the foreskin and rinse underneath. Take your time. Be thorough, but gentle. Then, rinse well. Drying off properly. After your shower, pat yourself dry with a clean towel. Don't rub harshly. Make sure your groin is completely dry before putting on underwear. Moisture trapped in tight spaces equals bad news. Dry skin equals less sweat, fewer rashes, and no weird smells. Genital powder and odor prevention. If you get sweaty down there, and you probably do, genital powder can help. After your skin is completely dry, sprinkle a small amount of powder in your groin or inner thighs, not on your penis directly. Look for talc-free powders made for men, or try cornstarch-based products. This helps prevent chafing, absorbs moisture, and keeps you smelling clean longer. Trimming pubic hair. Some guys trim, some don't. It's your choice, but if you do it right. Use an electric body hair trimmer with a guard. Trim slowly, don't rush. If you're nervous, use a mirror and work in small sections. Avoid scissors, they slip, and avoid razors unless you really know what you're doing. Trimmed hair means less sweat, fewer odors, and easier cleaning. Choosing the right underwear matters more than you think. Wear clean underwear every day. Choose breathable fabric, like cotton or moisture-wicking blends, especially for sports. Avoid super tight underwear for long periods. You want support, not a swamp. Boxer briefs equals the best of both worlds. Using cleansing wipes. Sometimes you're out and about, and a shower isn't an option. That's where wipes come in. Fragrance-free, sensitive skin wipes are perfect for after sports, gym class, or long days in the heat. They're not a replacement for a shower, but they help you stay clean until you can get home. They're also good for a cleaner finish after using the toilet. Jock itch. What it is and what to do. Red, itchy, flaky skin in your groin? That might be jock itch, a type of fungal infection. It's common, don't panic. You can treat it with over-the-counter antifungal cream from any drugstore. Wash, dry, apply cream. Repeat daily for a week or two. If it doesn't go away, tell a parent or see a doctor. It's fixable. Condoms, why they matter. You might not need them yet, but you will need to know. Condoms protect against sexually transmitted infections and pregnancy. They aren't just about sex. They're about being prepared and responsible. Keep them in a cool, dry place, not in your wallet, and read how to use them before you're in the moment. You don't want your first time using one to be during an emergency. Taking care of your private parts isn't gross. It's not weird, it's smart. It means you respect your body. It means you're growing up. So don't be afraid to learn this stuff. Ask questions. Do what works for you. And keep your hygiene game strong from head to everywhere else.